Hello, people. So I'm back, just like Bobby Dylan made a comeback in Race 3. Just that I did it better. At least I didn't took too many years to come back. The climate is awesome right now, and we are on our way to Ramappa Temple. And I'm trying really hard, believe me, really hard to subdue the philosophical me, as he tries to crop up everywhere these days. To subdue him, I thought I will do a different take on why we ride, with no philosophical color to it. Being a genius, I can do that as well. Don't believe me? Watch me do it. So why we ride? People tell you a lot of reasons. The wind in my hair feeling, setting out in the wilderness with no clue of the destination feeling, and most of all, the freedom it gives. I will tell you the most basic thing why we ride, the basic reason. I will tell you one fundamental, elementary, rudimentary and primary fact about riding, that the whole world of riders are trying vigorously to hide from you. It is a fact that will blow away all other reasons. And the fact is, we can't bloody simply merely directly just walk to those destinations. अब चल के तो नहीं जा सकते ना भाई. People have invented motorcycles for one simple reason, to ride, and I'm just trying to let them rest in peace by using the invention to roam around. Obviously, I can't roam around everywhere without something to take me there. I can't walk for all those long distances, right? Now that you know the truth, now that the truth has been revealed, let's get back to the destination. So we are going to the Ramappa Temple today. This is the temple premises, long sprawling premises. The temple is actually a Shivalaya where Lord Ramalingeshwara is worshipped. It is situated majestically on a 6 feet high star-shaped platform. The hall in front of the sanctum has numerous carved pillars that stand in a way to create an effect that combines light and space beautifully. And this is probably the only temple in India to be named after the sculptor rather than the deity. It is said historically that it took 40 years to build this temple. The roof, or as it is called Garbhalayam, of the temple is built with bricks which are so light in weight that they are able to float on water. So beautiful carvings, beautiful place to be. Now we are on our way to Ramappa Lake. Am I wearing canvas shoes on this ride? Shh, pretend you didn't see it and no one will know, I promise. Oh yeah, that was a dangerous stunt only I could pull off, being the daredevil that I am. Dude, are you taking my pics of the lakes? So with this we come to the end of the day 2 ride. I will see you soon again. Stay strapped and thanks for watching.